Hi guys, in this lesson we are going to learn the sorted function, which is a very useful function and often used in data analysis. Let's first create a new file and call it sorted. And explain it. Okay, what's a sorted function? Sorted function is a very useful function that can be used to sort a list, set, and dictionary as well. The speciality of the sorted function is that it does not affect the original sequence of the object. It creates a sorted copy of the object and returns it. Let's first create one tuple. It could be a list, tuple, dictionary, does not matter, but I will start with tuple. Add a couple of elements inside of the tuple like B, A, D, F, or E, and F. Right, and I try to sort it here. Before sorting, I first create a variable and assign the function itself sorted and this variable A that holds all these elements here, and let's print it out and see how would it sort it in a sequential order here, A, B, D, E, F. We could even sort the numbers here. First create another variable here, B equals let's do it with numbers 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 99, and now I want to sort them out here, sorted, and pass this variable here B and print X here. You could see that it would also print out what these numbers here in ascending order. We could even do what here, pass the second argument and say like reverse equals true. If I click enter, it would sort it in a descending order here. The primary difference between the sorted and sort function, well, we have also the sort function. The primary difference between the two is that sort will sort the list in place, whereas sorted will return a new sorted list, leaving the original list unchanged. The sort function is a list method. It can only be used to sort a list, but the sorted function sorts tuples, sets, and lists without the problem. Let's see that I have a list here, B equals, and the elements here, F, A, D, again, and E, and I want to use the sort method here to print out or to output the difference between them, explain them. S first, B, okay, sorry, B, and add the sort method here, sort. If I click enter, it will sort it and print the B out. You could see that it will sort it perfectly. The same way, we already know that sorted function also works like that, but if I convert this to the tuple instead of the list, the sort method would not work here. If I click enter, you could see that it will print out what? An error here. That's why sorted is more dynamic. It works with lists, sets, and dictionaries. This is the difference here. Okay, always use the sort with lists here, otherwise it will not work. Okay, let's create a new list inside of them. Let's create a new list and nest it with tuples and try to sort them out. Let's see that I have a student equals the list, and inside of the list I will nest it with tuples. The first one could be the John. The second one could be, let's see, this would be the A, and then this could be the number, Then I will create what? The second one, second tuple here, and rename it to as a Jane, and this could be the B. Also, the third tuple could be what? CD, and this could be C, and the number could also be 10 here, and for this one it could be 12. And I will get rid of this comma and click on run. Yes, it will accept all these values, and now I will try to do what? Sort them out. In order to sort them, first I will type in the sorted function, sorted. Then I will first type in the variable itself that holds all these values, and then I will type in the key equals lambda student or variable as a parameter. I will give it, and after this I will type it student 0 and click alt enter. You could see that it will print out these elements and sort them based on the 0 elements here, based on this one, and this one. Because 0 elements I have typed it like here, because key equals to 0. 0 could be the number which are going to be filtered or sorted here. First it will start with D, after that it will choose between Jane and Joe. First it will choose the Jane because A is coming before O. That's why it will sort it like that. If I, instead of 0, I will type in 1, it will sort them based on these characters A, B, C. If I type in 2, it will sort it based on their values, numbers here, in an ascending order here, 10, 12, 15. Also, we could even add what? Reverse true here. It would also work true in a descending order here. You could see this is the result. And let's create the dictionary. Let's see that I have my dictionary, and it equals to what? First, this country name like Azerbaijan, and the capital name is called Baku. The second one will be Georgia, and its value could be like Tbilisi, right? And now I want to print out or sort them with the help of what? With the help of for loop. How should I do this? First, I will type in for keys in sorted. Then I will type in what? The variable name, my dictionary, right? This one. And I will, if I want to print out only the keys, I will type in like the keys, and after this one I will do what? I will print them out like keys here, and I can even add and keyword here. You could see that it will print out what? These countries here, the keys of this dictionary here. Even if I want to print them the values, it will print the values here. Values, you could see the Baku Tbilisi. It could again work in a reverse order by adding the reverse equals to true. After the comma you could add it here, reverse equal to true, right? It will do what? It will sort them in a reverse order here. If you are going to print out the keys and values, then you could do what? You could just add here items instead of the keys or values. You could see that it will print out the keys and the values both. Sometimes your typed text is being deleted while you are typing here. Sometimes I just forgot to tell it each time. Sometimes, let's see that I have a code here, this one, and I want to just inside of this text, if I want to type it something here, you could see sometimes the text is overwritten as you type. This is the insert key, which is occasionally written as INC, and it's located right next to the backspace keys on your computer keyboard. Just try to press on it, and after you press it on once, everything will be fine and you will start to type it without problems here. Sometimes you occasionally just type on that button and face with that error. Okay, if you want to include the indexes types for this function here, you could do it like that. Let's say that I want to print out the indexes here, all the values and their indexes. In order to do that, what should I do? I can even do it like that. First, I know that I can type in the without them, and let's see what will print. Georgia and Azerbaijan, it will print out the keys here. But if I want to print out the values here and they're again with the help of for loop, how should I do this? Let's see that I will type for I key inside the scopes key value in, and sort them preferably, but for now I will not sort them. Enumerate, I will just try to print them out. My dictionary, this one, enumerate my dictionary, and here I will type in items, right? And I want to print what? I want to print out the keys and the values here, key and value. For now it will not work because I have included the I here, but if I delete the I, it should work here. You will see that it will work. It will print key and value here. But if I want to include the indexes here, I can even do it in a professional way, like I, as this one could be surrounded inside the bracket and include the I here. If I click enter, you could see that it will print out the list as you like here. We could even add this dash here and it will look perfectly. If you want to sort it, you could even add the sorted function here, like this one. Okay, and click alt enter. You could see this is the result here. And that's it for now. I think that you have already know the basics of sorted function, and keep in mind that dictionary items here are ordered and changeable and don't allow duplicates, especially in keys if you have these dictionaries here. Thank you for watching this video. I think that you have already learned a lot in this lesson. Subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Bye.